Alright guys, today I'm going to be using the Meguiar's Mirror Bright wheel cleaner. I'm assuming it's a little higher quality than the kind in the aerosol cans and whatnot. Basically it just says to shake it up, clean one wheel at a time, don't let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes and don't let it dry. And for really heavily dirty wheels, use a brush to agitate the dirt. Soft brush, they emphasize soft brush. Thoroughly rinse wheels, then dry with a soft actually not microfiber. It does say or microfiber, or cotton terry cloth. I don't have my brush with me. I'm probably gonna need it. It's pretty dirty. I have a microfiber towel that I'm gonna clean it with instead of a soft brush. So it doesn't say to rinse it first. It just says, oh, make sure they're cool to the touch. I forgot that. Spray a liberal amount, but not a stupid liberal amount. Alright, so pretty straightforward, I guess. And it is cool to the touch. And I'm not in direct sunlight. I had it parked in the shade and I moved it over here, but it should be okay. Make sure you know how to operate the bottle. Some spray. Ew. It smells kind of like an egg fart. Oh, it's turning purple. I didn't see it said color changing. Okay, well. Alright, so I'll let that sit for a minute and I'll come back. But usually the brake dust turns purple with some of the cleaners to kind of help you know where you need to scrub a little bit more. But in this situation, I think I know where I need to scrub really well. It might take 2 coats. It's pretty dirty. I haven't cleaned these in a long time. I haven't been driving this car, so. Alright, I'll let that sit for almost a minute and I'll come back.